Hey there, it's Dan here from SensePark, and today I would like to show you how to set up the logo or your logo for the first time, okay? Or even change it, of course. So, what I'm showing you right now is what it looks like whenever a customer clicks on the link or the thumbnail that you share with them, okay? So, this whole page is what people will see whenever they get my video, in my case, of course. And this is what we're changing, the top left-hand side corner logo, okay? So we just need to be here on the library section, and you need to go down here to your menu, go to Manage Workspace, and simply click on Set Global Styles. You'll notice the option right here, so where it says Upload your logo. Okay. So the only thing to consider here, and this is just an advice I give to all customers, consider your or the logo you need to upload needs to be in a horizontal way. The reason for that is because this is placed inside of a navbar, as you can see right here. So this is just a navbar on the top area, and this is very important because it's actually a little bit not usual or unusual to see logos in a vertical way, just like this, because usually logos on a website they all go on a navbar on the top area. So the larger the logo is in a vertical way, the smaller it will actually be because you can't modify the size of the navbar. Okay, so we suggest that, for instance, for Squarespace here, what they do is, of course, they remove the title of the company. They just leave the logo with no words right there, so they know they're still dealing with them, but without having the title. So everything fits correctly. So we suggest the same thing for your company. Look at this example right here as Airbnb. They have this format for certain places, but this is the other format. Okay, the horizontal way. So we suggest you do the same for your own logo. That way it will fit perfect in this place. Okay. So let me know if you have any more questions. Have a great day.